My name is Colin Rule, and I'm CEO of Mediate.com and Arbitrate.com. And I'm very much looking forward to participating in the 7th Annual Leipzig Mediation Forum and presenting a workshop on online dispute resolution. Online dispute resolution is the use of information and communications technology to help people resolve their disputes. It started about 20 years ago in response to the expansion of e-commerce, as people were looking for ways to resolve their disputes between buyers and sellers in cross-border e-commerce transactions. But over the last 5 years, it's really expanded around the world. Courts have started to adopt online dispute resolution, and now we're seeing the expansion of ODR in places like India and Brazil and the Netherlands for the use of resolving these low dollar value, high volume civil cases. So it's a very exciting time with ODR. The pandemic has accelerated the use of technology in the dispute resolution sector. And in this workshop, I look forward to sharing some of the latest and greatest developments in ODR, showing off some of the tools in action, talking about some of the ethical dilemmas that can emerge when we provide mediation services online, and maybe even sketch out a little bit of where all of this is going over the next 5 to 10 years. So I hope you'll be able to join me. I'm very much looking forward to meeting all of you and engaging in a conversation about everything that's going on. And I appreciate the invitation from the organizers of the Mediation Forum to share a little bit about what's going on with ODR. And hopefully I'll see you all there in the end of June. Okay, take care.